It's a long journey recovering from fast fashion and trying to take a stance against something. So that's where Fashion Anonymous really comes from, is a community of people just trying to make better choices with their fashion, but still be fashionable. My name is Ashley Boucher. I'm currently a master's student at UT in the College of Education, studying science, technology, math, and engineering curriculum. For me, my background in chemistry and toxicity is where my interest in fashion comes from. So in Fashion Anonymous, we all kind of have our different areas of interest. Some are vegan, so they really like to focus on the leather industry. Others kind of equity and how sustainable fashion typically is more expensive, so we talk about those issues. My angle is frequently on the more clothes you buy, especially those made in foreign countries, the more chemicals you're constantly bringing into your own body, into our local community, and to your home. When you first get something, that first wash, all of those chemicals that we have banned in the USA then enter our water.
These days, what people concerned the most is about efficiency, like how fast, how efficiently you work, how efficiently you spend your time. But this organization changed my life habit, I would say. For example, when I pack my lunch, it takes time. I could just buy it. But then I start to think that it's only a few minutes to save other people's life quality.
I personally really liked Fashion Anonymous because it comes kind of from the culture of like Alcoholics Anonymous or something like that, where you're coming to terms with something that is an addiction or a problem. And I feel like fashion has become that in a lot of our lives. That's what makes the organization so great, is that it's not one voice.